In this video, I will show how to set up and use the attendance export function for BC independent schools. The BC provincial government has asked BC independent schools to send a summary of school attendance to the ministry each week. We have created a function in TESS to collect the attendance data and produce a file which can be submitted to the ministry. To begin, make sure you have the updated version of TESS, which includes the new function. The updated version is version 2020-09-30 or later. We start by making sure the grade level codes match what the ministry is expecting. For grades 1 through 7, this simply means going to Enrollment, Setup, Grade Levels, and making sure the grade levels are defined with 01, 02, 03 rather than just 1, 2, and 3. So for example, 7 should be 07, 8 should be 08, 9 should be 09, 6 should be 06, and then save this. If you have any students that are homeschooled, they need to be put into grade HS. And for each homeschool student, you must set their home form to match their grade level. Create a home form code for each grade level and set the description to match the grade level. So we'll go to Enrollment, Setup, Home Forms, and we'll create some new home forms, and we'll simply call them by each grade level. So 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, etc. And then in the description, put in the grade level they correspond to. And save that. And then for the students that are homeschooled, in the student data screen, bring up the student. Under demographics, make sure their grade level is set to homeschool, and make sure their home form is set to the grade level that they are in. And then save that. And you must do this for each of the homeschooled students. Next, let's review the attendance absent statuses. Go to Attendance, Set up Attendance Statuses, and make sure that all attendance statuses which are to be counted as absent are checked as absent in the checkbox. Then click Save. Once you have completed this, you can now proceed and go to the export. Let's go to Specials, BC, Data Transfer, and you'll see the new option to send independent school attendance. Click the button and read the instructions which confirm that you have set up the grade levels to match what the ministry is expecting, and that you've set up your homeschool students in grade HS and that their home forms match the grade levels they are in. Then click OK. Click the day of the week to match the attendance summary that you'll be submitting to the ministry. Usually it's the Wednesday or the Friday of each week, and then you can just click OK. Then enter the number of attendance periods used for the tally. If you take attendance just once a day, then enter 1. If you take attendance in the morning and the afternoon, then if students are considered absent, if they have been absent in either AM or PM, then enter 1. Otherwise, if students are considered absent, if they are absent for both AM and PM, then enter 2 and then click OK. When the file is exported, it is exported as an XLS format. Don't change the file name, it's been programmed to be specifically set up for the ministry. Just click OK and save it where you want it to be saved. Then select the students to export and click OK. And the program has now exported all of the attendance summary data. If you open Excel, you can then open this file from the location you've saved it. and you can see it's been laid out in the format the ministry is expecting, with each grade level on a separate line, the date, the grade level shown, the enrollment, and the attendance for that period of time. Then choose File and choose Save As, and make sure the file type is changed and set to Excel, and make sure the file name ends with XLSX, which is the format the ministry is expecting, and click Save. Now you can email the XLSX file to the BC ministry.